Well, looky here. I mean, these limbs is falling out like it's the July 4th, just a popping. This is the one I need to go right here. If any of them needs to fall, it needs to be that one. That's nothing but an eyesore for me. I don't. No damage as of yet. Just limbs. As you can tell, we got pretty good sized limbs fell out of this, especially this one right here in the front yard. I am so glad that one did not hit the house. And that one, no, I'm not walking underneath the tree. That one came off right there. So it dropped straight down, thank God. Sorry about that, I had to get turned around. We got a pile of them back here in the backyard. See that? See over the roof at that one right there. I got one laying on the house. I'm hoping it'll go on and break off. So far the shop's alright. So far. See, this one here is laying on the house. Just barely, but it needs to break off right along in there, and it will probably just drop to the ground. I got 5 pines right back here besides. I'm kind of watching them because it's got all this on the ground behind my trailer. Nothing major. That little branch there on top of the roof, on top of the patio. Got all this on the other side. Nothing major. So far we've been lucky. We'll just stay that way. All this mess come out of the pine yesterday. I think, yeah, it was yesterday. Yep. Got a few more of that oak needs to come down and miss the house, I hope. I hope. We'll see. But I hope everybody stays safe. Have a blessed day. We'll catch y'all later. See, that's where that big one came crashing down from last night. Where'd he go? Right there. A lot of popping back there in the woods behind the house. There's a lot of popping. It's like the 4th of July out there. All right, I'm going back inside.